Guys, I'm going to do a demo today and show you guys a little bit about the Sonax Perfect Finish. This is a single step compound and polish in one. A lot of you guys out there know about it. It's expensive. It's like $69 for the 33 ounce bottle right here, made in Germany. This is a really cool product. It's very similar to the Griot's Garage Boss Fast Correcting Cream, and I actually use the Sonax when I'm doing more color sanding and a little bit more aggressive work on larger projects. So I was actually using it recently, and being that I already was using it, I'm like, you know what, let me just do a quick demo on my buddy's Honda that's got really bad trashed paint and it's black. So I'm going to show you guys what this Sonax Perfect Finish is going to do straight out just by buffing it with a microfiber cutting pad and my Flex Rotary PE14, and then I'm going to color sand it with a little 3M Trizac. We're going to finish it out again with the cutting pad. We're going to move over to the orange pad, and then I'm going to final finish it with the Griot's Garage Yellow Perfected Cream with the Flex 3401. That's just my technique and how I do black cars. So this is a pretty cool product. I definitely think it's worth having. It's one of the more expensive compounds out there. It's probably one of the best between this and the Boss system. And I also have the other Sonax that's made for the dual action. I just ran out of it. Otherwise, I would throw that in the video as well. But I'm just waiting to get another bottle from my local distributor. But these are great products. You don't have to use the Sonax pads. You could use pads from Lake Country, Griot's, whatever company you want to use, as long as you understand which pad and what level you're going to go with your cut. So this is the machine we're going to be pretty much doing all the work with today. This is the PE14, super lightweight, super smooth, soft start, rotary by Flex. Love this machine. Like I said, it's not as aggressive as my original Black & Decker from the 90s or the professional DeWalt that I use on solid surface and metal refinishing, but for paint, these things will get the job done. They take a little bit longer because they don't have the heft and the torque, but like I said, it'll get the job done. And it goes up to 2100 revolutions per minute, and it's got 6 speeds. So we're going to move things around. Going to go over to the black Honda Accord trunk. We're going to set the camera up, and I'm going to show you the process from start to finish and show you how bad the paint is. I hope you guys could see it with the sun, and then we're going to wait for the sun to kick down, let the paint cool down, and we're going to go through our steps. So stay tuned. All right, guys, I'm just going to give you a glimpse of the subject car. I'm going to show you. We're going to do a demo of the Sonax polish. I'm going to get closer. The sun is glaring right now, and you guys could probably see the level of scratches that's in this trunk lid on my friend's work car. And all I did is I just wiped it down with a little detail spray. And you can see here the finish is totally gone. See, so I'm trying to get it through the viewfinder. You can see the hazing, the spider web scratches. It's pretty bad. This car was probably, I know for a fact, it was most likely never buffed or paint corrected ever. But I'm just going to use this as the subject matter for the test. Alright guys, just want to give you a little bit of a close-up to show you the damage. You can see there's heavy scratches, most likely from sliding boxes across the trunk. Some of them are down to the primer. It's not going to come out, but we're going to use the Sonax Perfect Finish with my Flex PE14. Then we're going to follow up with the Flex 3401 with an orange foam pad. So stick tuned. I'm going to set the camera up and I'm going to do this demo for you guys. Alright guys, so we got the Flex PE14 rotary, and I'm using a 6-inch microfiber pad. I already got the pad loaded up with the Sonax Perfect Finish. We're going to start out at slow speed just to work the product. And I love rotaries. Going to want to keep working the product. It has really good work time. A little VO7, and we're going to check our work. Now, like I said, this paint feels smooth, but a lot of these are really deep scratches. I'm actually going to get some 3M Trizac, and I'm going to hit this to see if I can blend this in a little bit better. Alright guys, we're going to use a little 3M Trizac, and I used the VO7. It's a great lubricant for color sanding. This is what I use on large architectural projects, and you guys can see it's not drying up the way conventional soap and water would. But the super deep scratches, we're not getting those out. It's not worth trying to, but this is just for a demonstration purpose to show you the Sonax Perfect Finish polishing compound, which is definitely great and definitely worth having. And it takes out color sanding scratches pretty darn easily. And this is a good test for you guys on a black car. So you can see the uniform haze. I still see some deep scratches in there. We're going to hit it again. The flexible sanding blocks really help, because the Trizac that I get is hook loop, which is the Velcro backing. And then you go in the opposite direction, because you want to get the crosshatch pattern, and with the heat and the micron abrasives and the speed of the machine, you want it to basically feather this all in, and it disappears. So yeah, it feels good. All right, let's load up the pad a little bit more. That color sanding scratches are out. Now I'm going to switch over to an orange foam pad just to give it a better final finish, because the microfiber pads don't usually give a really good final finish, especially on black. Alright guys, so we're going to finish this job up with the Griot's Perfecting Cream. This stuff is awesome. Using my Flex 3401 with a yellow pad already loaded up. We're going to work it in, and this stuff gives, the 3401 is my favorite tool for black finishes. Start out slow, work the product. Alright guys, that's it.
$5 a compound wax.
Alright, look at that shine. Look at that shine. The sun went down. Look at that shine, guys. Chris, what year is this car? The 2000?
2002.
2002. 16-year-old Honda Accord that was never paint corrected at all. You saw it.
Hola.
I color sanded it. We got a guy on the other side of the yard saying hola. He's not talking to us. Look at that. I love working on black cars. Absolutely love it. And then you go over here, and, you know, it looks like shit. Look at that. Look at that reflection. Looks like like a black baby grand piano. Pretty cool, right? Alright, we're signing off, guys. Just wanted to give you a little visual. If the sun went down, you can see it a little bit more. Take care.